Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since January 21st, 2025, our system has rated Palantir as a hold or accumulate, reflecting a score of negative 0.28. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Over this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, showing a remarkable gain of 53.36% since we initially recommended purchasing Palantir just 21 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.54% per day since it was designated as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a robust and extensive upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 53.43% over the next 3 months, suggesting a potential return ranging between 14.29% and 71.64%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of around 144.56% over the next year, with a potential return between 36.20% and 172.62%. This implies a future price range between 152.63 and 305.49 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, High volatility in Palantir stock price on Wednesday, which ended trading at $112.06. The Palantir stock price experienced a decline of 10.08% on the last trading day Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, dropping from $124.62 to $112.06. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated by 15.43%, with a low of $108.64 and a high of $125.41. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 7.93% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 52 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 135 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $15.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $125.41, while the lowest was $20.33. Currently, the price is 10.65%, or $13.35, below the 52-week high of $125.41, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies shares experienced a significant drop of 10.1% on February 19, 2025, amid reports of incoming Pentagon budget cuts. This decline was fueled by a Washington Post article reporting that Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth has instructed the Pentagon to prepare for substantial defense budget reductions of 8% annually for the next 5 years. Given Palantir's reliance on government contracts for data analytics and software solutions, such cuts raise immediate concerns about future revenues and profitability. The impact of this news on Palantir's stock price could be pronounced in the short term, where investor sentiment and confidence may waver amidst fears of diminishing defense budgets. A drop of this magnitude not only reflects market reactions, but may also trigger further sell-offs if investors reassess their positions. In the long term, the ramifications will depend on how effectively Palantir adapts to these changes, potentially seeking new revenue sources outside of defense or innovating within its current offerings. While the broader outlook for the big data and cybersecurity sectors remains promising, with continued growth anticipated, Palantir's performance will largely hinge on its ability to navigate the evolving landscape of government contracts and budget constraints. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned PLTR a buy rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned PLTR a neutral rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform rating along with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned PLTR an underperform rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned PLTR a cautious rating with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Palantir stock. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have provided a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it also shows a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, this results in a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $117.20. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support at around $87.60 from the long-term average. A breakout above the short-term average would indicate a buy signal, whereas a breakdown below the long-term average would suggest a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and since then, the stock has experienced a decline of 10.08%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, trading volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to monitor the stock more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 22 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 179 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 167 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Palantir. Palantir finds support from accumulated volume at $111.28. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support level is tested. This stock exhibits significant movement throughout the day, showcasing high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $16.77 between its high and low, representing a movement of 15.43%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.80%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important measure compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. An extremely high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to exhibit such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of May, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are set at 11 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at 112.62. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at 111.28. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Planishek Heather A., who bought and sold a total of 13,891 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.913. In total, insiders purchased 12,582,452 shares and sold 20,576,174 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $106.97, reflecting a decrease of 4.54%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. There is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy at this time. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors might consider holding or accumulating shares while awaiting further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 20th of February, we anticipate that Palantir will open at $3.31 and begin trading at $115.37. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at StockInvest.